Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Mathematics Pathshala. This is a problem of CSIR UGC NET December 2023 Mathematical Sciences, and this is the question from statistics. The question ID is 704103. First we read the question. Consider two groups, say G1 and G2, comprising of 10 and 30 patients respectively. Suppose that mean diastolic blood pressure of patient in group G1 and G2 are 80 mmHg and 100 mmHg respectively, and the corresponding variances are 4 mmHg square and 2 mmHg square respectively. Let x bar, a square, c and r respectively denote the mean variance, coefficient of variance in percentage and range of the diastolic blood pressures of the combined group. Then which of the following statements are true? So it is clear that this is the problem of combined group, combined mean, combined variance. So we find the combined mean, combined variance, combined coefficient of variance and range. So first we check x bar. Now what is the formula of combined mean? Combined mean is denoted by combined mean. Combined mean is denoted by capital X bar, and the formula is, there are two groups, so the formula is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. And what is n1 n2 and x1 x2 bar? So group 1 is denoted here G1 and group 2 is denoted by G2. Number of observations N1 and N2. Mean group 1 mean x1 bar and group 2 mean x2 bar, and standard deviation group 1 standard deviation sigma 1 and group 2 standard deviation sigma 2. So it is clear that what is N1? N1 is the number of observation of group 1. N2 is the number of observation of group 2. And x1 bar is the mean of group 1 and x2 bar is the mean of group 2. Now we find the combined mean. This is x bar. And first we check the combined mean. First we write the formula of combined mean. N1 x1 bar plus N2 x2 bar divided by N1 plus N2. Here N1 is 10, comprising of 10 and 30 patients. So their N1 is 10 and N2 is 30. Next, x1 bar is given 80 mmHg. So x1 bar is 80 and x2 bar is 100. We get all these value, so now we easily can calculate combined mean. N1 10 10 into 80 plus 30 into 100 divided by 10 plus 30. Next, 800 plus 3000 divided by 40. Then x bar equals to 3800 divided by 40 and 95. So x bar equals to 95, and this is option A. So option A is correct answer. Now A square. What is A square? A square is the denoted the combined variance. Here combined variance, it is A square. Now what is the formula of combined variance? Combined variance. Now we calculate the combined variance. Combined variance is denoted by capital S. Combined variance. Combined variance formula is N1 sigma 1 whole squared plus D1 whole square plus N2 into sigma 2 whole square plus D2 whole square divided by N1 plus N2. Now we write the value of N1, N2. Here N1 is the total number of observation of group 1, and here N1 equals to 10, N2 equals to 30, x1 bar equals to 80, x2 bar equals to 100, and sigma 1 whole square equals to 4, sigma 2 whole square equals to 2. Why? Because given in the question here corresponding variances are 4 mmHg square and 2 mmHg square. So it is clear that the sigma 1 square and here sigma 2 square value. Wait. And now what is D? D is here what is D? D is here D1 is equals to x1 bar minus x bar. X1 bar means combined variance. X bar is combined variance and x1 bar is the variance of group 1. And what is D2? D2 is the x2 bar minus x bar, where x bar is combined variance, and we get from the previous calculation x bar equals to 95. we can easily calculate the value of combined variance. Now we put the value. N1 is equals to 10. Sigma 1 square is equals to 4 plus x1 bar minus x bar. x1 bar is 80 minus 95. So minus 15. Minus 15 whole square plus 30 into sigma 2 square is equals to 2 plus d2 x2 bar is 100 minus 95, so it is 5. So 2 plus 5 whole square divided by 10, n1 10 and n2 30. Now we calculate this value. 10 into 229 plus 30 into 27 divided by 40 is equal to 2290 plus 810 divided by 40. So 3100 divided by 40 and it is 77.5. Now we go to the option. Our S is S square. Sorry, S square is 77.5, but here S square is 77. So this is wrong option. So option B is wrong option. Now we check option C. Now we check option C. Check option C. Option C. Sorry, X. 1 second. It is A square because it's combined variance, not combined standard deviation. So our A square is 77.5. So option B is wrong answer. Now we check option C. Option B, wrong answer. Now we check option C. Option C is combined coefficient of variance. Now, what is the coefficient of variance formula? Coefficient of the variance formula. Coefficient of variance equals to SD by mean into 100. Our SD is variance, S square is 77.5. So SD is root over 77.5 and our combined mean is 95. So SD root over 77.5 divided by 95 into 100 equals to 8.803 divided by 95 into 100 equals to 880.3 divided by 95 and it is 9.26. now we go for option 9.26, and here we see that C, we now check C is greater than 180 divided by 19 or not. 180 by 19 means 9.47, and our we get the value of C is 9.26. So it is, so 9.47 is greater than 9.26. So C is less than 180 divided by 19. So option C is wrong answer. And last we check the range. Range means highest value minus the lowest value. Range is equals to highest value divide minus lowest in the data, and we see that in the question it is obviously greater than 8, so option 4 is correct answer. So option 1 and option 4 is the correct answer, and option